Hello viewers, let's talk about tips for building and maintaining a good relationship with your bank today. Building and maintaining a good relationship with your bank is important for your financial well-being and can lead to better service, favorable terms, and access to additional benefits. Here are some tips for fostering a positive relationship with your bank. 1. Choose the right bank. Select a bank that meets your financial needs and aligns with your values. Consider factors such as fees, account options, branch locations, customer service, and online banking features when choosing a bank. 2. Understand your banking products. Take the time to understand the features, benefits, and terms of your banking products, including checking accounts, savings accounts, credit cards, loans, and investment accounts. Read the fine print and ask questions if you're unsure about any aspect of your accounts. 3. Maintain regular communication. Stay in touch with your bank and maintain regular communication to keep them informed about any changes to your financial situation or needs. Reach out to your bank if you have questions, concerns, or need assistance with your accounts or transactions. 4. Be proactive. Take a proactive approach to managing your accounts and finances. Monitor your account activity regularly, review statements for accuracy, and report any unauthorized transactions or suspicious activity to your bank promptly. 5. Use online and mobile banking. Take advantage of online and mobile banking tools and features offered by your bank to manage your accounts conveniently and securely. Monitor balances, transfer funds, pay bills, deposit checks, and access account information anytime, anywhere. 6. Optimize your account benefits. Maximize the benefits of your banking products by taking advantage of features such as rewards programs, cashback offers, ATM fee reimbursements, and waived fees for meeting certain criteria, e.g., minimum balance requirements and direct deposit. 7. Build trust and credibility. Build trust and credibility with your bank by demonstrating responsible financial behavior, such as timely payments, maintaining good account standing, and honoring agreements. A positive track record can lead to better terms and opportunities for additional financial products or services. 8. Seek financial advice and guidance. Tap into your bank's resources for financial advice, guidance, and educational resources. Many banks offer financial planning services, investment advice, and educational materials to help customers make informed financial decisions. 9. Provide feedback. Share your feedback with your bank about your experiences, preferences, and suggestions for improvement. Constructive feedback helps banks understand their customers' needs and preferences, and can lead to enhancements in products, services, and customer support. 10. Resolve issues amicably. If you encounter any issues or problems with your bank, try to resolve them amicably and professionally. Start by contacting your bank's customer service department to discuss the issue and explore options for resolution. Escalate the matter to higher levels of management if necessary. 11. Be respectful and courteous. Treat bank staff with respect and courtesy in all interactions, whether in person, over the phone, or online. Good manners and positive communication go a long way in building rapport and maintaining a good relationship with your bank. By following these tips and actively engaging with your bank, you can build and maintain a positive relationship that benefits both you and your financial institution.